Let me show you the number one iPhone setting you must disable on your lock screen, and this one can literally save your iPhone if ever gets stolen. Open the settings, go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode and scroll down to allow access when locked. Here, turn off Control Center. This is the most important setting on this entire list, and here is why. When Control Center is allowed on the lock screen, anyone can swipe down even without unlocking your phone and turn on airplane mode. And that's exactly what thieves do first. They block your Wi-Fi, your cellular network, location services, and basically make your iPhone untrackable. You won't be able to use Find My iPhone, play a sound, or locate the device. But when you disable Control Center on the lock screen, no one can turn on airplane mode or turn off your network without unlocking your iPhone first. This gives you a much higher chance of recovering it if it is ever lost or stolen. So turn this off right now and protect your device. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.